channel. Today I'm gonna be making a seafood boil. This is just a little something. I'm gonna do it for my birthday. So watch what's going on. This is the pot. Stove is on already, and I already have a container inside for the put everything in. So watch what's going on. Okay guys, over here, this is what I'm going to start off with. I'm going to start off, this is the Louisiana crawfish. That's for the seafood boil, that's the seasoning. I got my potatoes over here, I got the butter, I got the onion, I got the corn, and I also have the thyme. And you know, we're going to put some garlic powder. So stay tuned and watch what's going on. Okay guys, I'm gonna put crawfish boiled mix in. I'm gonna go with my garlic powder. Thyme. Everything I showed you, like the potatoes and the corn, everything is pre-washed. I'm gonna drop the butter in. The onion is diced up. This what takes the longest to cook is the potatoes. I'm gonna drop them in. And the corn soak up all that flavor. So I'm gonna get the seafood prepared, washed, so I can get ready for the pot. This is an idea of what's gonna be in there. Over here I have the seafood mix, and over here I have scallops. I have two of these big old shrimp that looks like lobster. I got mussel, I have clams, I have 3 lobster going in, I have crayfish, and I also have shrimp. So this is just a little bit of what's going in. I'm just going to show you guys. Stay tuned. And of course, you know, we have to put some real in there. I'm going to put the scallops. Also, this is a seafood mix. I'm going to put this in there too. Let those start cooking and everything, because the shrimp and everything else, it doesn't take long to cook. So stay tuned. Okay, I just got these washed and clean, and over here we got 2 big old shrimp. These are them, and also got 3 lobsters in here. So when everything is ready to go in, I'll let you guys see what's going on. I forgot to get some lemon or lime, so I'm gonna tip a little lime or lemon juice in there, and stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna put these mussels and these clams in here because I want them to open up, and I want me with the clams, I like them to cook properly. So I'm gonna throw them in there, because when they cook, they open up. These are the clams. Alright. Now for the mussels. Now with the crayfish and the shrimp, the lobster, and those two huge lobsters, those not gonna take too long to cook. So I'm gonna have these cook for about 45 minutes because they have the potatoes and also the corn. I want the potatoes to cook properly. Okay, folks, it's about time. I'm gonna start putting in all the seafood stuff. This is the crayfish, the shrimp. These are those huge shrimp. I have 2 of them. Lobster. Get in there, boy. Get in there, boy. With all this, 20 minutes. Whenever you see me stirring it up, I have a handle right here that I use. I'm trying to make sure everything goes down. In the meantime, while this is getting done, I got some butter and I got some garlic powder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that butter and the garlic powder in the microwave, and I'm gonna make a buttery garlic sauce for the seafood. So stay tuned in this one. Alright, this is what it looks like. It's my buttery garlic sauce. That is going on all that seafood. You could go on it, or you could use it as a dip. Alright guys, this is the end result. All I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna throw some of that garlic sauce, butter over it, or I can use it as a dipping sauce. So I'm gonna start digging in, and thanks for watching this video with me and being here with me, and I appreciate all you guys. Love and respect.
Happy birthday! I need everyone to say happy birthday and like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I hope you enjoy your birthday. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.